Hello everyone! It's time to explore some exciting car accessories. We have a couple of gadgets that can enhance your visibility and awareness of other road users. Additionally, there are a few items that can make your car more visible and provide extra illumination. Oh, and we also have something truly impressive on our list. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Cobra 29 LX Max Smart CB Radio. Attention truck drivers, you definitely don't want to miss out on this one. This CB radio is specifically designed to meet all the demands of modern times. To start with, it offers wireless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive phone calls directly on the radio. Pairing is quick and easy using the Bluetooth button on the handheld microphone. Once paired, simply push the same button to make a call and say the contact's name out loud. The radio ensures you keep your focus on the road by announcing incoming calls and messages. Of course, it still retains the classic CB functionality with 40 channels to choose from. You can also adjust the microphone sensitivity and minimize surrounding noise for clear communication. The rewind playback feature comes in handy as well. Additionally, this radio can receive instant weather alerts. The bright LCD screen and backlit buttons are easily visible day and night. You have the flexibility to change the display's color and brightness to suit your mood or lighting conditions. On top of all these features, you can download the dedicated mobile app and join a large community of drivers, receiving notifications about speed cameras, road hazards, and more. Remember, you're not alone on the road. Mini USB LED light. Now, let's introduce the simplest way to create a pleasant atmosphere in your car. This LED ambient light resembles a wireless mouse receiver and requires only a standard USB port. Once plugged in, you can switch between 7 cool colors, such as red, pink, and yellow with a single click. Holding down the same button allows you to adjust the brightness. The light also features a soothing breathing effect that can help you calm down during traffic jams. Despite its compact size, as you can see, this light can produce a fairly bright illumination. It takes up minimal space and consumes very little energy. Remember, bigger is not always better. Electric exhaust cutout kit with remote control. The exhaust system is a significant indicator of both the car and its owner. With these exhaust cutouts, you can easily customize the sound and performance of your car. The electric mechanism saves you the trouble of manual adjustments. You can conveniently open and close the valves using the remote control. The kit includes all the necessary components for mounting and is compatible with most vehicle types. The diameter options are either 2.5 or 3 inches. Power can be supplied through a cigarette lighter plug. Most importantly, these cutouts are constructed from high-grade stainless steel, making them nearly indestructible. They are as durable as they sound. Cobra JumPackXL Car Jump Starter. You might mistake this for another power bank, but the key here is power. This small brick delivers an impressive output and is capable of jump-starting not only a car, but also a bike or even a boat. Simply connect the included jumper cables under the hood and wait for the green indicator to light up. There are different models available with various capacities, so choose the one that suits your needs. All models are compact enough to easily fit in your bag or glove box. Some versions even come with a built-in flashlight, featuring strobe and SOS modes. which are particularly useful when your car battery is completely flat. Furthermore, these power banks are not limited to jump-starting vehicles. They can also charge your mobile devices quickly and efficiently, either wirelessly or via USB. The gadget itself can be plugged into any standard outlet or even the cigarette lighter plug in your car. Bmpr Smart Alarm. Now let's introduce the most vigilant protector that will keep you informed about any incidents involving your car. Whether it's a harmless tennis ball or a potential break-in, you'll receive instant notifications. You can choose from 3 impact detection levels based on your preference. Setting up the system is a quick and easy process. Start by plugging the device under your steering wheel and downloading the dedicated mobile app. Create an account and sync the gadget with your phone. That's it! The system will automatically activate every time you move away from your car. The gadget uses cellular connectivity to stay online throughout the day. In addition to impact alerts, the app allows you to track your car's GPS location and monitor its battery status. It also offers useful functions like note-taking, capturing photos, and recording videos in case of an accident. Cobra Road Scout Dashcam. What do we have here? Is it some sort of binoculars? This convenient car gadget serves 2 functions. Firstly, it functions as an excellent dashcam, capturing the road in high-quality 1080 pixel resolution. It continuously records, ensuring no details are missed with its wide 150-degree field of view. The camera also stands out with its night vision capabilities and built-in G sensor, which measures your car's movements. It's equipped with Wi-Fi, allowing you to access the recordings on your phone, edit them, and instantly share them. However, you can also store the videos directly on the included 16GB SD card. Furthermore, this gadget doubles as a highly accurate radar detector, alerting you to patrols and speed traps with visual and sound notifications displayed on its circular screen and integrated speakers. By connecting to the iRadar mobile app, you can receive even more relevant information from other drivers. Setting up and using this gadget is a matter of seconds, thanks to the guidance provided by an accompanying app. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.